going on, everybody? Fast Action Blades here. Gonna do some AK-47 testing today. Just set up a little target over on the fence here, and we're just gonna give it a few shots. We don't really have too much time today, so let's get to it. Well, that's not cool. Not a good way to start the video. Yeah. Not too sure exactly where I'm hitting. Well, got some holes all around right in here. Now, none, I'm shooting all low, but I'm hitting.
You those sound look good.
Yeah. Let's check it out. Oh, almost all over the bullseye. Sweet. This gun is nice. Let me just go make sure I didn't hit a bullseye so then you can take credit for it. Yeah, I just hit a bullseye.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, it's shooting.
Nice shot. Let's go in.
Right.
Let's go check it out.
The last few I went for upper right.
No,
Hey, fuck off.
no bullseyes down here. Got a shot over on the 7 there. Looks like some down here because I saw some hit a little low. It looks like you got down here.
No, I was aiming late. What's up?
Try for the upper left. Ooh.
Your first shot looked good. Upper left you got.
Oh, nice. Not bad. Got a couple in the zone. Well, this one's like pretty much almost right on the mark. And maybe one here.
Yeah, your first one,
Must
whatever it
be
was,
there.
looked good. It had to be right around there.
Fuck, dude. Oh. I
think I hit one good one on the top left there.
Ooh. Oh, that was like high left, it looked.
Is it shooting high? You said it's shooting low?
Yeah, I felt it was going a little low. Oh, that was pretty close. If you're going top left,
Yeah, I am.
it was outside the circle.
Did I get a couple of? They're hitting paper.
Yeah, it's right up in there.
I think it's shooting a little high.
So that's what that one did. Did you add any? It doesn't look like there's any added to the bullseye.
Bunch of pellets. Is that what they're falling down here? Dot.
All right. We had some fun shooting just one burst. Now we're going to do the fully automatic. Just blast the hell out of this target, hopefully. So let's give it a try.
Killing target pretty good.
Now, let's have a look. That felt great. Let's have a little look and see. I took the target apart there all around the bullseye. I just smoked the hell out of it. No shots really outside of the bullseye section. Damn. Go for it. Oh, dude, you're wrecking that bullseye.
Did I hit top left?
No, you were hitting the bullseye.
I'm going top left.
Oh, you missed that.
Anything left?
Maybe, run it out?
Maybe a couple.
Well, he took out the top area there anyway. Not so much all over the target, but around it. And the actual target itself has been killed. Sweet.
Tricky one of these things.
After a short test with this bad boy, felt pretty damn good. Felt pretty awesome shooting this thing fully automatic. Just awesome. Gonna have some more fun with this in some future videos, so just be ready for that. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one. Sweet.